Okay, hello. Alright, there we go. Now we're back. Okay. So yeah, let me pull out trading view and we're gonna look for alright. We're gonna use screen capture and source. Alright, there we go. Beautiful. So here's what I want to see, guys. I want to see a high of the day here because I mean, what was this that pushed news right here? Was this a London session? Was this a news that pushed up the price? So no, that wasn't even news. We just got an aggressive push around 3 a.m. We got a crazy push, and now I believe we're making the high of the day. So I'm gonna look for something along the lines of, I want to look for something like this, right? And I want to short. There we go. That is what my entry would look like, and obviously 1 to 2, which is actually beautiful at yesterday's low. So yeah, and that's my entry setup. This is what I want to see. I want to see price tap into this high again just to test it one more time, and then maybe we'll go. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. But I don't want these highs to be taken out. I do not want that taken out. So I want him to just. I want the market maker to play within this range for a bit, and then do a quick. And then depending on how the markets react at the high, I will take a short or not. Depending on how the markets react at the high, that's when I'll decide if I want to take a short or not. Because we're making the high of the day, I believe we're making the high of the day today. I'm just gonna look for shorts and nothing else. So, yeah. I mean, we've been trending up since Asian session, and I believe that's all part of the market maker's plan. So, yeah. Let's see what happens. Could happen too. Could happen where we just let me get rid of this. How many times I have to get rid of this fucking grid? Alright, here we go. So what I want to see here is a push up here, and then depending on how we react around this area, I'll be looking for shorts. But the thing is, this is 3 pip stop loss. 13 times 80. Let's see. 13 pips times 80. That would be having an 8 lot. That's actually good. So 13 times 80, that's proper. Right there. Command share would be here. And that's beautiful. And then my 1-on-1, 1-to-1 is right here. As soon as we tap this area and we break below here, I'll be putting break even. Yeah, let's see what happens there. I'm only gonna stay on the charts till 5 a.m. So we have about another hour and 10 minutes. If I don't see anything between that time, if I don't see anything between 3 to 5 a.m., I'm just gonna go to bed, wake up for New York session, try again. But I never want to force a trade. It's the last thing you want to do, and trust me, the best trade, like they say, I didn't believe it at first, but the best trade is no trade. It's a fact of the business. The dealer is gonna come and try and take your stops. So before he hits the stops, so do not take a trade until the dealer hits the stops, alright? Because then that is a fact of the business. Because it's a fact of the business. If you're taking a fucking trade and you haven't seen the move happening, no. So if you're trading accumulation, you better fucking stop, man. Let me tell you, because unless you're using AI during accumulation, don't be trading fucking sideways action. You gotta wait for the dealer to make the fucking move, just so you can see where the fuck he's going. So you gotta. So one way to tell that the market. So there's an easy way to tell what the market maker will do, what that certain pair that you're trading will do in the next fuck, man. If you can identify a stop hunt, then you can identify the fucking trend for the day. So that's the hard part, because it looks like it can go both ways in the moment, in hindsight. But you have to look at the previous days. You have to look at what happened the previous days that led up to this, and what is, the intentions of this market maker. What is he trying to do right now? And typically, if the move goes up fast, that's a false move. So look for that. The market maker will trap, induce. The market maker will trap, induce. No. Fuck. This is so funny. The market maker will induce, trap, and shift. So he'll fuck, man, I can't explain it. Oh my god. Okay, so we're pushing up right now, and I like the way this is going right now. So let's see what happens in the next 15-20 minutes. Might get something, might not. Alright, let me just see how this footage is going so far. wake up my brother. I'm gonna go wake up my brother and see if he'll help me with this trade. Help me, because we used to do this every day. Alright, got my brother coming, and we're gonna look at the charts together. Because I know for a fact he'll bring some value. We used to do this every day. Every London session we used to do this. Then we stopped trading London session and focused on New York. But man, moves have been happening London session lately, so switching it back. Oh, so we got a beautiful push up there, and we started rejecting. It's just not what I was looking for, right? So when it's not what you're looking for, then you just relax, man. Relax. There's no, like, here's how I know that the trade, if this trade doesn't work out, it's because it either came down here, right, and it took this low, and then it started consolidating, and then boom, it took off. I'm not waiting for nothing here, because that's very highly likely that anything that will happen here, a bounce here, will come back and bounce off that zone. It will bounce off this zone here and continue higher, you feel me? So that's why I will never enter a trade if it comes down here and takes these low out, because now if we get the price to just push up here, we get a nice reaction here, maybe we even take this high and then start dropping. That's beautiful. That's what I'll be looking for. That's perfect setup. This is my brother Jason. So you guys remember Jason from the first earlier episodes, and what he's gonna do is just give me a second opinion and go back to bed. So we've been pushing up London session, pushing up, and then I want to see it come up here for a nice second leg, and then yeah, because we've been consolidating. We have the psychological. Where is that chart with the psychological high and low, man? This is the old template. Come on, man. There we go. Bring the proper template here. And now, yep. So.
So you think this is the peak here?
Not necessarily, but I believe this will give us a nice double top. I don't know, here, and then come down, take the Asian lows, and that's all I need. I mean, look at this, bro. Look at this huge candle here. Tell me market maker doesn't want to come back and fill that gap. Not only that, but I'm looking for on the see if the only way I'll see that this is invalid is if price comes down here, and if we come down here and start consolidating, and then we just fly, then I'm not looking to retest here no more, because then now we're gonna use this zone to fly higher. So the fact that we haven't even came down here yet, look at this, we haven't came down here yet. That's beautiful. We've been 1, 2, you know, like, if we come down here, then it's over. I'll just close the charts and wait for New York, see if there's anything. But we trade Tuesday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. So let's. This is a nice stop loss. This is 3 pips above the high. This is where we take trades now and over. So we sell right here.
You took a trade already?
Nope.
Why does it show that?
Show what?
98K.
That's what it was.
Oh.
Yeah, bro. Welcome. Go back to the account. Okay. Let me show you videos from. Gotta upload a new one, but so far this is what we have. Santana fall, dude. 624, 623. Just people like it. Ultimate sleeper rhythm. You are there, no, my goodness. How did I not freaking read that right before, man? You are the ultimate sleeper, not there.
That's a new thing.
People do that to you. You just need to get a pump for your next one, right? Right? People like you, man. You go Maddie. Why aren't you seeing this? That's a good transition there, man. But we need to get you with the pump now.
I need a profile picture.
Huh? You don't see it?
I do.
Yeah, find them.
No,
Send
I think
it
it's
to
the
me.
one you took when I was wearing my wife beater at Junie's house.
Oh, yeah. Where even are those pictures?
I think you had them.
You're back here, smaller. That's what I want to see for the line session tonight. No, I don't have it. The bar is so bad. It is, and it's in their messages. Look, you have 106 likes already. More than me, man, because you have everything here is gym stuff. Everything here is gym stuff. And I have to like them all, for all these guys. So that my Alba's right now. That my 40 page, if my 40 page is this, people, gym rats will get your video. Oh yeah, that's a gym one. No,
this ain't you, bro. This ain't you. You weren't born like this. You're just a bitch.
It's just
correct.
But I feel like going into the I don't know how to work on December.
Then honestly, we don't do anything too crazy like bench, slides. I honestly only do 2 workouts usually, but for the video, we'll add a little extra so it makes it look like a workout, like a real person. Then honestly, we don't do anything too crazy like bench.
Look at this guy, 90k likes for this. Because he's just posting, you just have to post. Get the algorithm on your side. You don't have to be big with that. That's fine. He doesn't show face, see? So I'm trying to tell you, man. Yeah. Yes, man. Can't be dressing like Dookie anymore. The beginning of the winter arc means you got a bulk. Can you just say? I walked past a woman that's 100% my type. Don't care. Don't want to get on the side of TikTok either. Gotta keep it Jim. He likes that ski mask, right?
My wrist. If you're a beginner.
This guy's name Andrew Smith.
It's crazy to think that human.
What's my password?
Your email. Just log in with email. This guy's strong. That's not him on his bulk yet. That was him, like... That is a beast, man. That's Dennis. You versus him, no way. Okay, hold on. We got a top here. Alright. Remember our 6 pip or 5 pip? What was it? 5 pips from the top? So 5 pips. A nice 4 pips SLC. Like this. This is what we want to see, right? Tap into here. See what reaction mode we get, right?
See the reaction. Because you gotta understand the potential go higher or respect it.
Cause it could come up here, tap this, drop. Remember how many times, man? Look at that. I like that rejection so far though in the 1 minute. So we'd like to see something. It will give us a nice room to get in. Yeah. Let me put that up there. Alright, let's see what happens here, man. Right now. I like this target right here, man. I love this target because look at this. That's an FEG right there, right? You would call that an FEG, and then you would call this liquidity. The same thing with Steve. He would call this an M and Asian lows. Asian lows. Look at these double Asian lows right here. Beautiful. That can easily be taken out. And then 1 to 1 once we hit this zone right here. Should be 12 pips. Oh no, 1 to 1 after 15 pips, right? Or not 1 to 1, sorry. Break even after 15 pips. Yeah. Alright, we're pushing up to that zone that I've highlighted, and now we just wait. We wait to see what the intentions are at the high. If it's strong still, we'll probably get the high taken out, and if we get a full candle print above the high, I'll wait 15 minutes and then go to bed. I'm only trading from 3 to 5 tonight, and then I'll wake up tomorrow in the morning. We're not trading pennies anymore. We're trading 100K funded. This is day 1 on the 100K funded. We made money out of the 50K funding, man. So let's make money out of this 100K. It's only 50% payout right now, so we gotta get past that into 85% payout. Alright, we're almost tapping the zone right now. We're gonna stay on the 5 minute. The 1 minute is too much. John Lennox has been working, right? Look at that. Been doing his thing, right? Look, feel it. Feel yours flexing? That's you flexing your jaw? That's soft. Feel mine.
Yeah.
Just bite down, that's what you do.
I can't fully bite down.
See. 405. 161. Oh, this will be 505.
Never blame anyone in your life.
So you logged in with Google, right?
Mm-hmm. They just missed where we would enter from, and it's already hitting where we would enter from. It hit a zone that we're looking for. It missed it by a pip, Jason. Time is it?
4:14.
So let me see how this 15-minute will end. Yeah. Good. Let's wait for the next one. This is good timing. We like trades around 4:30, right?
I was thinking this one.
Do it. No, now I got that story. To go edit profile. Close. Don't post this in your story. There you go. No. Nice. Now I want this 15-minute candle to push up.
Am I following you?
Yeah. That's my trading run. Let me see. Do you like them all? Not yet, eh? Oh, this is just your friend's list? See how mine, look at my view stopped so early, man. So annoying. What to do about it? This is your 40 page right here. That's your friends. That's when people text you or people like you see the notifications. You can post one right now and you can make one for you. Cause right now it's not by the time people are up around the world.
I just need to like go to gym and make videos that just reflects on something.
Yeah, I have one of you, remember, with the you're going like this. Should do that too. Like, find out. Freaking cool, man. Not good timing.
So you follow them too?
Yeah. Just for the algorithm, just so that's what they show you. We tapped or what? Is this a tap? Let's say it's a tap. Consider it. This is where we enter from, that purple line. That's our zone that we're looking for. It's a tap. I'm gonna get as lean as you and start posting like on other accounts. I'm gonna make 2 other accounts and just post. Because fresh accounts, they're good because you can just, I always said don't watch TikTok on your actual account, your main account. She said you have to watch only gym stuff if you want, or if you're watching stuff. Because the 40 pages where people find you. There you go. That's a nice tap.
So what if she knows this? Does she have
She used to get average 10K likes, she said, per video that she made it, but now she doesn't anymore. She said when I was blowing up. Alright, we tapped into our zone here. This is our zone. So now what we're looking for is a rejection here. If we get a rejection, pushing price down to this line right here, then I will be getting in shorts. So I need this green candle to flip down, and right now we're about to find out if it does. Let's see. That was a good 5-minute candle. Now we like when this stuff proves us wrong.
Yeah.
So this is kind of proving us wrong right now. So what we want to see is this candle come in, maybe.
That looks like an order block now. For it to go
This
higher,
one
but
here.
if it breaks that to the purple line there,
yeah.
it'd be good.
Yeah, exactly. If we can come up here and just nearly miss this high and then start dropping, that'll be blessed. Or if we can come up here and just take the high by like slightly, if we slightly take this high, or even miss it, and then we start dropping, that's good signs for us. This is what I like to see, and I like when price is showing us that it's not in our favor, and then all of a sudden we get the right candle and we take it. But this is looking pretty good so far. This is exactly what I wanted to happen. This is like a mini W right here, but going to the upside, inducing more buyers, because we've been trending all Asian session. We've been trending up. This was a candle right here that you do not want to buy at. This is the false move right here, and then slowly started coming down. Now people are loading in their buys here, and the market maker was gonna fake them out up here, maybe take out this high and then drop, and that's where we get in. Oh, my arm hurts, man. I didn't even wake up at 1:30. I see. No, I want to go. I already. I'm like, damn. I went back to bed so fast.
Yeah, no achievement.
Huh?
Like, start slow, man.
Yeah. Like, I was gonna go make the videos for my.
You can do that, like.
I have to do that someday, at some point. Maybe on a Wednesday, because I don't trade Wednesdays. I can just go in at 3 a.m. That's so much better. Yeah. So tomorrow night. Tonight. Wow, we're being vulnerable, showing our balance, eh?
Yeah, but no password.
No password.
And when changing, doing something, watch, yeah.
Hmm?
Maybe you go log an email or something.
No. Maybe I did have that, bro. Frick. I'm gonna delete this. No. Wait, actually, hold on. No. Luckily, I had it off before. It was black. No. Oh, look at that. That's a beautiful rejection there, but we need to come down heavy. Right? See, and then just load it there.
Okay.
The whole time. And then show once. Good. Alright, man. That's a nice rejection. So let me show this in the camera. So something like this is what we want to see. We barely missed this high, and now we're pushing down. So in order for us to get into this trade, we need a nice solid red candle coming down right here. And as soon as we tap this line, we'll be getting into shorts. Because that 8 pips now has to drop. And we gotta start doing this again. I wake you up whenever I can, right? He does. He's gonna sleepless nights coming, man. Sleepless nights. Frick. Why do you go all the way over there when you're talking to her?
Where?
All the way on the street. You gotta be relaxed, bro. She's not married yet, so we gotta treat it like it's just a friend, right? I know it's your first time, you know, but for her it ain't, so you gotta treat it like it's just a friend right now. Like, laugh, joke around, don't take it so seriously. Okay, looks like Market Maker wants something else in mind here. Interesting action. I like to see this. Because then I can go to bed and wait for New York session. Right? Alright.
Yeah, put it right now.
Where you going, fam?
Back.
Alright. I'll call you if I see anything. GG's. Ooh, oh shit. We just. So what happened here is price just kept pushing up, just keeps pushing up. If this candle doesn't close with a hard rejection, I am going to bed. And yes, this is a funded account, and we did take a loss from like 2 months ago, but this company shut down, now they're finally back up. So that's what the balance was before, and that's what it is now. And that's what we're working with, boys. So let's see what we can do with this funded account. Okay, looks like I'm going to bed, man. Fuck. Looks like I'm going to bed. Maybe market will come to last week's high. And that's where they'll make the move. And the move will happen in New York session. So once this 15-minute ends, I'm going to bed, man. Because this is my original plan, is to look for an M pattern above the last week's high. Right there. So yeah, let's that's what I'm gonna wait for. And for now, I think call it a night. That is the wrap of this session, an hour-long stream, 50 minutes, and I got a video out of it too. So. Yeah, markets are not moving the way I want it to today. Most likely will happen in New York session, the move that I'm looking for. So for now, we just take a chill pill, go to bed, and call it a night. That was a good trading session. I followed my rules, I stayed disciplined, and I set the plan up. I followed the plan, and yeah, I would go to bed. Yeah, see, we got a full candle closure above the high that I was looking to sell from. So that's it for me. That was my rule. If that happens, I'm out. Done. Go to bed. Something else is in mind, so for the market maker. So yeah.